Hey everyone, this is Dan from M1911A1.com. I'm on my way out to the range this morning and I thought I'd do a quick follow-up to my unboxing video of the Marvel 1911 22 conversion unit for 1911s. This is the Longslide 6-inch version with the threaded barrel. I also have both the iron sights and the Picatinny rail for mounting optics. I've mounted it to a Rock Island Armory Ultra Match CS, which is originally a 45 ACP 1911. It mounted up in under a minute, and the lockup is impeccable on it. And this gun is cleared, by the way. There is nothing in the chamber and no magazine, so we are safe to handle. And if you look at the fit and finish on this unit, it's pretty incredible. It's definitely a high precision conversion. Top of the line 22 conversion for your 1911. It's a little different having the extractor on the right like that for me in the aesthetic of the 1911, but you can see a lot of the precision in this unit comes from the fact that the top of the slide is actually stable and the action ejects a shell from a locked down slide. Can't wait to shoot it. I'll have a assembly video later for you. I just kind of wanted to show you how it went together. You can see there's no rattle. It's a pretty impressive unit. If you want more information on the composition or the guarantees or some of the other things that come with this unit, please visit marvelprecision.com. They were very helpful in helping me get this unit, so really appreciate that. Thanks a lot.